बांग्लादेश आता है ना, तो हमें इस बात का हमेशा गर्व होता है कि मेरे भी देश का कोई जवान था जिसने अपना रक्त दिया था इस बांग्लादेश को।
India-Bangladesh friendship, the seed was put in during 1971. Bangladesh government was formed in India, survived in India the 9 months. The war was supported by, from the beginning it was BSF. After the recognition of Indian government to Bangladesh, then Indian Army, Indian Defence Forces came in.
1971. A movement for self-determination which rose in the then East Pakistan attempted to be quashed by the Pakistan Army by killing Bengali nationalists, raping women and destroying properties in the eastern province. Millions started fleeing the country and pouring into neighboring India through the 4,129-kilometer international border. The state-wise influx of refugees to India is documented in Bangladesh's own Mukti Juddho Jadughar, or Liberation War Museum, located in capital city Dhaka, which shows that while West Bengal saw the maximum influx, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and even Bihar and other states sheltered refugees from Bangladesh. The Border Security Force, BSF, raised on 1st December 1965 for ensuring security of India's international borders, found itself in the center of this humanitarian crisis from March 1971.
The contribution of Border Security Force to the glorious saga of the liberation of Bangladesh began from 26th March 1971, well before the actual hostilities erupted. The BSF provided logistics, training, arms and ammunition to the freedom fighters of Mukti Vahini. We are celebrating 50 years of liberation of Bangladesh and the centenary of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman.
BSF's involvement in the Bangladesh Liberation War included giving weapon training in both land and waters. 1971 saw the participation of 23 battalions of BSF in the Liberation War. 125 BSF Jawans sacrificed their lives, 392 were injured and 133 were reported missing. Bangladesh too glowingly acknowledges this selfless contribution of India, including that of BSF.
It took me almost 20 days to cross the border. I crossed the border through Jibonnagar, Border Security Force of India, and the people of India. They received us as if we are their own brothers.
The Indo-Bangla border is long, porous and includes many challenges. However, it is the bonding, the bandhutva between the two countries which makes both sides resolve every challenge with professional zeal and commitment to the bonds of shared culture and friendship.